Today's lesson is on Social Security and characterizing Social Security as a life annuity. That's what it is. So let's talk a little bit about that. So what is an annuity? An annuity is defined as a series of equal or increasing payments over a period of time. Now, a life annuity, it's just the period of time is your entire lifetime. And with Social Security, you can't outlive Social Security. I mean, if you had a regular investment and you had money invested in a portfolio and you were just withdrawing money, it's conceivable you could outlive your money. You can't do that with Social Security because it is a life annuity. It's going to make those payments to you as long as you live, okay? Whether that's 5 years, 10 years, or 40 years. I always have to kind of look and laugh a little bit with joy, of somebody that's 102 that's on the Today Show. I'm thinking, boy, you're still, how many Social Security checks have you collected over your lifetime and still kicking? Now, when you're married, Social Security is a joint and survivor life annuity. So it provides payments even beyond your lifetime. If you have a spouse and you were the larger of the two Social Security checks, your spouse is going to collect your check for the remainder of their lifetime. Now, it also it's under the increasing payments because Social Security has inflation protection built into it, where every year there's an increase. There was a year a couple of years ago where there was no increase because inflation had gotten so low, but it automatically keeps up with inflation. So why are we explaining this to you? Well, it's another way to learn about Social Security and view its position in your whole retirement planning. And it says on my Social Security statement, and it says this on yours too, that Social Security is intended to replace about 40% of your pre-retirement income. So that's how much the government has calculated. That's on average. It's certainly not going to work for high income earners. It may work better than that for low income earners, but it's intended only for 40%. And that means that you need to come up with the other 60% somewhere, or cut back your lifestyle, or do effective tax planning, because there is a way to pay little or no taxes on your Social Security. And the way to do that is have your other income invested in something that's not taxable, where you can make withdrawals from that on a tax-free basis. So you could get by with as much as 60 to 70% of your pre-retirement income if you were able to keep all of it. So I'm Hans Scheil. We're in all 50 states in the District of Columbia. I've written a couple of books on these subjects, and I thank you for listening.